Okay, so I'm gonna add in 1 liter worth of apple juice. That goes inside. And let me show you the apple juice. This is the carton that we are using. You'd have to get this one, but any apple juice would do. So that's that. Yay. Now next, we add in 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 star anise, 1-inch piece of ginger cut in half, half cup of fresh cranberries. If you don't have the cranberries, it doesn't matter, but it adds a nice festive touch. So this is 1 slice of orange. Now what we've done, we've like pierced in 4 pieces of cloves inside, well, into the skin. Now you just got to put that in, and got another one as well. Just gonna add that in as well. Now here I have some maple syrup. Okay, so I'm just gonna add in 1 tablespoon worth of maple syrup. So that goes inside. So that, now I'm just gonna give it a nice mix and just let it heat up now. Now I'm gonna let it simmer for the next 20 minutes at low flame. So the longer you do it, the better the flavors, the tastes merge together.